All right, today is day 1 of our dinosaur kit. So drop everything out of your bag. Hello. All right, sit the bag to the side and then just sort out and see what you have. All right. Random eyeball here. And, All right. If you take a look, what do you think we're going to put together?
This looks like some kind of dinosaur. What do you think, Miss Chrissy?
I think so. All right. This is going to be our body. Okay? This is going to be our head. You see that shape? Find that shape?
Yep.
That is going to be our head. Look what else we have.
Got a tail.
We got a tail. Looks like we have some legs.
With some claws on the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Wonder what those are for. We'll have to come back to that. We have an eyeball. My guess is that's going to go on our head, right?
Yes.
All right. So, go ahead and take your eye. Put some glue on it. And go ahead and put it on the head of our dinosaur. Let's see. You have a dry erase marker. If you want, you don't have to. You can add a little mouth there.
There you go.
Okay? All right. So we kind of have this lined up, but then we have all of these. Wonder where they're going to go. What do you think? Do they look like they would go down here?
No, I don't think so.
No.
They don't look...
On the tail?
Maybe, but probably not. Still doesn't look quite right.
What do you think about up here?
There you go.
All right. So, you have a bunch of different sizes. All right? So, you put it in the order that you want. They're by size, they're by color. All right? So, you can really do whatever you want. You can have it go from small to big. You can have some small on the side, big in the middle, and then small again. That's kind of what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to make it go just a little one and then bigger, 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 smaller, smaller, smaller. You see that? You see that pattern?
Yes.
All right. I could glue them to the outside, but I think it would look better if we did it underneath. Yes?
Yes.
All right. So what you're going to do is once you have them in line, you're going to put some glue right at the bottom. Bless you, Miss Rachel.
Thank you.
All right. Right at the bottom, and then just hold it under. Okay. Squeeze it a little bit. Just make sure it stays on there. And then go to the next one. Glue just at the bottom. And then slide it on where you want. Okay. Getting right along here. Number 3 is yellow. It's kind of a rainbow dinosaur.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Nice big scales on the back here. All right, getting closer. Whoop. All right, I've got one more. All right. Whoop. Don't mind my papers flying everywhere. Okay, once you have that on, let's glue the tail. Do the same thing. Okay, just at the bottom, and then you want to glue it on. You can make it straight, you can move it curled up a little. Do whatever you think will look best. All right. What do you think? So far, so good, right?
Looking good.
All right. Same thing with our head. Let's put some glue right here. And then add our head on. So cute. Can you tell what dinosaur this is starting to look like?
You know what? It's interesting. It's got a long body and a long neck, but it's got some scales on the back.
Yeah, his head probably shouldn't be too big, but
To me,
we
it
have
kind of
this.
looks like a Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
Yeah, the spine's on the back of the giveaway.
That's the dead giveaway right
Yep.
there. If his head was really long, and we didn't have so many scales on the back.
Yeah, that'd be a Brontosaurus,
Brontosaurus.
right? Yeah, yep.
All right. Hopefully I got enough glue on there. All right. Then we want... I apparently don't.
More glue, Miss Chrissy,
don't.
more glue.
All right. Let me reattach this. All right. Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Think that'll do it?
I think so.
All right.
All right. Let's try this again.
All right.
We need to add our big old legs here. All right. Remember, when we're working with the clips, the bottom part that says open is what's going to make it stand. So make sure that is at the bottom. So when you glue, we're going to put it right on top. Okay? So glue. And then put this somewhere like that. Okay, let's do this one. Opening at the bottom, claws at the bottom. Try to make sure that they're facing the right way, because that would look
kind of silly. Yeah.
Kind of silly.
Make sure they're facing the same direction. Toward the head.
Toward the head, right?
That's right.
It looks silly otherwise, but...
You know, you do you, but try to aim it toward the head.
Yeah. Okay, now, how are we going to attach them?
Do we need to pinch the bottoms and make them connect on? There we go. And pinch.
Okay.
Here we go.
True test. Let's see. Might have to finagle it a little bit to see where it will stand. That was my table.
Close. So close.
My table is a little wobbly.
Yeah, that's true. I can corroborate that. It is a little wobbly. Look at that.
So cute.
Perfect.
So cute. My rainbow Stegosaurus.
That's right.
All right, you guys. That is day 1. I'll see you tomorrow.